All right, what's going on, guys? And today we're working on the XR650L, aka the Pig, and we ran into our first issue that we've had with the bike since new. It's got 15,500 miles on the bike, and you can see we got it a little bit of a part right now. We have an issue of non-start, so I kind of want to walk through what we've tried so far and our next steps, and hopefully finding a resolution to our issue. But let's go ahead and dive in and see if we can get this figured out. All right, so first we try to drain the bowl. When the bike sits for a while, that's kind of the go-to trick to get it to start to run. So we go to the left side of the bike, go to the carburetor here, and now you can see on the left side of the bike the carb, and on the bottom of the carb there's the bowl. And at the bottom of the bowl you can see the screw. So we unscrew that screw and gas flows out, getting fresh gas into the carb. So we open that up for a second or two, let some fresh gas roll into the carb, and clean up the mess on the floor. And then usually that'll get it to start. But this time she was being a little finicky, we thought, and had to move forward. So we couldn't get it to start that way. So then we went and pulled the panel off on the side and took a look at the air filter. So we pulled the air filter and went and shot some starter fluid into the intake, and still no luck. All right, and after trying the starter fluid with no success, the bike didn't even sound like it was trying to start to run. It just kind of sounds like it's turning over based off of this, just the rotation of the starter, and we were kind of stumped. But we did rule out 2 out of the 3 main factors in an engine running. We had air, we had fuel, but we must have not had spark. So then we checked and pulled the spark plug out, and you can see here we have the spark plug wire hanging below, and we're going to check and see if we have spark. And if we don't have spark, then we got to kind of go and troubleshoot that issue. So let's go ahead and put a spark plug in there and see if we can get some sparks to go while we're turning over the engine. All right, we're going to double check and make sure we don't have any spark before we move forward. Yeah, nothing. All right, after doing some research about no spark, it seems like the most common culprit is the CDI. So if we're going to be throwing some money at it, figure we might as well try the CDI first. So that's what we're doing. We're going to get the CDI out and see if that'll fix it. All right, so we have the CDI. It's behind the battery box. And to disconnect the plugs on the CDI, you have to pull out on the tab to remove the plugs. All right, we got the old CDI out, new CDI in. Let's see if we got some spark. Oh yeah, we got some spark. Sweet. See if she starts.
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it. See if you got your bike back. Oh yeah. Pig's back in action. Ready for your wheelies. Part of just the maintenance, we did put a new spark plug in it before we rechecked for spark. And we also cleaned the air filter. Thank you. But it is pretty crazy how easy it was to find the most likely culprit being the CDI. On forums, a lot of the guys that do the adventure riding say that they actually carry a spare one on them. So it must be a super common issue on these. But it's also nice that this bike is so old and hasn't changed in so long, because there's a lot of information out there about these bikes. But I also think too that with how quick it started up, I think we were having this issue for a while, or it was slowly going bad, because how fast it started up there was significantly better than in the past
Cold engine,
with a cold engine that's been sitting.
maybe faster than that.
Could be. Might be faster than my 450.
Already was.
Oh, it already was? Yeah. But we got the XR650L running. CDI was the trick. And let me know in the comments below if you had similar issues or have a struggle, your bike struggles to start. But I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.